Ghostlie-girl, thank you for clicking on another video. I recently went to Big W and purchased this box called capsule chix. I've heard it's been all on the TV and I've seen it online everywhere, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing. And it comes with 15 pieces inside and it has over 4 billion looks to build. So let's open it. That's one. 2, 3, 4, 5, pull. So then you pull that, and something's supposed to pop out. And then it comes with a little book. Sticky tape on them. This is the first packet. And we have what looks like a clear stand and a head. This one feels like there's quite a lot in it. That's the second bag. Oh, looks like a little necktie and some black velvet pants, which are actually legs as well. I like the whole idea of unlock all these things in these like little surprise bags. I think it's different and I like that. Then we've got some little thongs. I think they're like little sandals. A bit hard to see, but little black sandals. I think that's a necklace, or you use that to connect the body. And a little red little bag. Oh no, I'm dropping everything. One more bag. And it is the top portion of the body. And these are reusable, so you can use them for like if you want to put jewelry in or your keys, money. So I like how they've done it, it's very efficient. This is the last one. And this is, I believe it's it's a head. So this is like her hair. So that's like the hair, and then, whoops, where's the head? And then you connect that. there like that, so that's her head. And then only thing I'd say is if you're like under 8 or anything, just to get your parents to help, because some of this is a bit hard to put together. And then these are the pants. And the legs are adjustable, and so are the arms. Then we'll put the little shoes on. Oh, and she's got her little side bag. Oh no. Oh no, everything's falling. Yeah, so just make sure that you have help putting them together, because you have to really put it in for it to stay. It has to click. Make sure the legs are facing the right way. And there we go, there she is. I shall call her Francesca. And I paid $20 for that, so all in all it's great value, and I would definitely recommend